Your customers want to get back in the air. They deserve a stress-free travel experience. So it's vital for you to implement quick, effective ways of keeping them safer. Honeywell Thermal Rebellion is engineered to detect individuals with elevated skin temperature quickly and accurately. In places like New York City's JFK Airport, where keeping people moving is essential. Our trained experts carefully deliver and install Honeywell Thermal Rebellion into your existing infrastructure. At JFK's Terminal 1, 60 travelers per minute can now be screened individually. Honeywell's proprietary solution targets specific facial areas and allows for accurate skin temperature readings. It's reliable and safe, bringing you peace of mind by complying with the latest FDA and NDAA guidelines. And you can trust that your data is secure with its Layer 3 firewall protection. Honeywell Thermal Rebellion is helping JFK Airport in their efforts to create a safer today and a healthier tomorrow. We want you to thrive in the present, so together we can make the future.